Now we're going to solve applications using systems of equations. Yay! So, in a triangle, the sum of the measures of the angles is 180 degrees. In triangle ABC, the measure of angle B is 5 more than 3 times the measure of angle A, we'll call that. The measure of angle C is 15 more than the measure of angle A. Find the measures of the angles. Now you guys, I'm totally setting this up as a system and then we'll solve it, but this is going to be very straightforward to solve. So first let me represent each one of the variables. I'm going to let A equal the measure of angle A. I'm going to let B be the measure of angle B. And C equal the measure of angle C. So if we set this up, we realize that B is equal to 3A plus 5. C is equal to A plus 15. And A plus B plus C is equal to 180. And this is awesome because I can just substitute in fa-doopy-doop, and go for it. So it's A plus B, which is 3A plus 5, plus C, which is A plus 15, is equal to 180. Sorry, I can't help myself. Combine like terms, 5A plus 20 equals 180. 5A is equal to 160. A is equal to 32 degrees. So A is 32 degrees. B, which is 3A plus 5, B is going to equal 3 times 32 plus 5, which turns out to be 96 plus 5, 101. So B equals 101 degrees. And C is just equal to the degrees in A, which is 32 plus 15. 32 plus 15, which is equal to 47 degrees. If I add these up, I get 180 degrees. So we are golden. So the solution here is A is equal to 32, B is equal to 101, and C is equal to 47 degrees. And of course my triangle didn't really represent it. It probably looks something like this, where A represents the smallest angle, B is the largest, and C is the next smallest. That's a better representation of it, but I really didn't know before then. Some people must eat a low-sodium diet with no more than 2,000 milligrams of sodium per day. By eating a cracker, a pretzel, and a cookie, a person would ingest 149 milligrams of sodium. And then if a person ate 8 pretzels and 8 cookies, she'd have 936 milligrams, 6 crackers, 7 pretzels. Then the person would take in 535 milligrams of sodium. So we want to figure out the number of grams of sodium in a cracker. So let's just do it. C equals grams in 1 cracker. Okay, what else we got? We got a pretzel, so we'll do P, grams of sodium. In one pretzel. And we have a cookie, so we'll use K for cookie. Grams in one cookie. Perfect. So here we go. We're setting up the equation. So by eating one cracker, one pretzel, and one cookie, the person gets 149 milligrams of sodium. Person ate 8 pretzels and 8 cookies. Person gets 936, and 6 crackers and 7 pretzels. The person gets 535. So let's solve it. The beauty of this is it's not too bad, but I'm going to use these first two and then I guess these second two. And let's cancel out the cookies because we need crackers in the end, so we don't want to get rid of crackers, so let's get rid of cookies first. So C plus P plus K equals 149. 8P plus 8K equals 936. And I multiply the top equation by a negative 8. We will get, I'm going to just move it down here, negative 8C minus 8P minus 8K is equal to negative 1192. And that's multiplying everything through by negative 8 in the top equation. So, and then the second equation, of course, stays the same. Oh, look at this. These guys will add out, so I get a negative 8C is equal to a negative 256. I'm going to divide that by a negative 8, and I'll get 32. 32 what, you may ask? 32 grams of sodium in one cracker. And they're just asking for the crackers, so I am done. I don't have to do anything else. So I will write the conclusion. There are 32 grams of sodium in one cracker. Yay! A company makes 3 types of cable. Cable A requires 3 black, 3 white, and 2 red wires. So I'm going to set it up like this. We have cable A, and we have black, white, and red wires. And it requires 3 black, 3 white, and 2 red. Cable B requires 1 black, 2 white, and 1 red. And cable C requires 2 black, 1 white, and 2 red. They used 100 black, 110 white, and 80 red. So we can set up equations for this. For the equation associated with the black wiring, it would be 3 times the number of A cables plus 1 times the number of B cables plus 2 times the number of C cables is equal to 100. And then the second equation would be associated with the weight. And the third equation would be associated with the red. What's A, B, and C? A is the number of A cables. B is the number of B cables. And C is the number of C cables. Perfect. Now we're just going to solve it. I'm going to use the top two, and I'm going to cancel out the C's. So I will get 3A plus B plus 2C equals 100. 3A plus 2B plus 1C equals 110. I know it's crazy that I'm canceling the C's, but I'm just doing it anyway. I'm going to multiply the second equation by -2. So I'll get 3A plus B plus 2C equals 100. Negative 6A minus 4B minus 2C equals negative 220. The C's will cancel, and I'll get negative 3A minus 3B is equal to negative 120. The cool thing is I'm going to divide everything through in this equation by -3, and I'll get A plus B equals 40, and that's a much easier equation to deal with. Now we're going to go to the blue and do these two, and again eliminate C. There may be easier ways to do it, but this is the way I chose to go for it. 3A plus 2B plus C equals 110. 2A plus B plus 2C equals 80. Here we go, guys. I'm going to multiply the top by -2. So I get a negative 6A minus 4B minus 2C equals negative 220. And then I'll get 2A plus B plus 2C equals 80. So I'll get 4A negative minus 3B is equal to negative 140. And then I'm going to put this blue guy's star and this red guy's star together in a black statement. So negative 4A minus 3B is equal to negative 140. A plus B equals 40. I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by 4, so get 4A plus 4B is equal to 160. I'm going to just put a 4 next to these. And then I'll get negative 4A minus 3B equals negative 140. The A's add out, I get B is equal to 20. And now I'm going to put 20 in for B here. So A plus 20 equals 40. So A equals 20. So the number of A cables is 20 cables. The number of B cables is 20. And we only have to figure out the C cables. And I'm just going to put it in the first equation right here. 3A plus B plus 2C equals 100. So I'm going to pop in 20 for A, 20 for B, and solve for C. So 60 plus 20 plus 2C equals 100. 80 plus 2C equals 100. 2C equals 20. C equals 10. So I need 20 cable A's, 20 of A, 20 of B, and 10 of C. Now you're able to do the assignment associated with this lesson. Ask lots of questions, have your teachers help you set it up, but just hang in there. Once you're through this applications, it gets easier. Take care and do the math.